Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to use the PyQt5 library to display Pandas data frame. Before I begin, I'm pretty sure most of you guys have used Pandas library before. The Pandas library is basically a very powerful data analysis package, and the PyQt5 is a comprehensive Python library that allows you to create applications with different type of GUIs and widgets. And I'm going to assume that you have the basic knowledge of using Pandas and the PyQt libraries. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import the system library as well as the Pandas package. Oops. And next, I'm going to import the PyQt libraries. And from the PyQt5.qt widgets, I'm going to import the Q applications and Q table view modules. And I also need to import the PyQt5.qt core. From the Qt core, I'm going to import a module called Q abstract table model, as well as the Qt module. So the Q abstract table model basically allows the library import different type of data sets. So for example, if you're importing a dictionary or a Pandas data frame, usually those are different type of data set type. And the Q abstract table model allows you to basically convert those data set into a table type that the PyQt5 library will recognize. So here I'm going to grab a simple data frame. So here I already predefined the data frame table. So if we just print the data frame data set real quick. Oops, doesn't recognize. Oh, I think there's a typo, sorry. Abstract table model. Try again. All right, and so as you can see that this is a very simple data set with 3 columns A, B, C, and 3 records. And so our goal here is to create a kind of like a GUI that to display the Pandas data set. And here I'm going to create a class, and I'm going to call this class Pandas model. So basically this class is going to convert the data set into a model type that the PyQt will recognize. So here we'll use the Q abstract table model module as the parents. It's a new blank line. And from the init method, and we're going to have a parameter called data. And here I'll create a superclass, basically also takes in the parents module. So here we'll pass the data frame to the data parameter, and from there we'll store the data frame into this underscore data variable. And here I'm going to create a method to give me the row counts. And this will give me the column count. Returns self. And here, this is where we're going to convert the data. Oh, that's right. Okay. And from the Qt module, there's a method called display row. And so here we're going to see that if index is valid, ID, and if row is equals to Qt.display row, here we want to return the data. And here we'll get the row index and the column index. Okay, let me just double check. All right. Now we also need to get the column header. So here we have the column and orientation and the row. And if orientation is equal to Qt horizontal, and the row is equals to Qt display row, then here we can return the data set. And otherwise we'll return none. Okay. Actually, I forgot this one too. Alright, so this basically this our Pandas model class, and now all we need to do is we need to pass the model to the QTableView module. So let me create a main method. Here I'll pass I'll create an application first. Now, so here I'm going to create a model variable, and so we'll use the Pandas model class, and we'll pass the data frame. So here I'm going to create my view, and here I'll take the QTableView module, and so from there I can set my model. And here we'll pass the model variable. And next, I'm going to basically resize the GUI, the windows a little bit bigger. So I'll set to, let's do 800 by 600. And here we'll show the table display. Now let me save and run these and see what we get so far. Oops. Seems like there's a typo somewhere. Hold on, let me double check. Alright, so looks like I forgot to include the appearance. So let me replace the super with the appearance module. And this will be QAbstract AB table model. And here we'll pass the self parameter. And so here for the row counts parent, we'll set the parent to none, and same as for column counts, and we'll see what happened. So let me save and run this again. Oops, I sent my Sublime text is crash. Let me try again. Oh, here it is. Okay, there's no data right now. Let me double check again. Columns count. Oh, here's the typo. Alright, let me try again. And hopefully this time. Okay, so this time it works. And here's our data set, from the Pandas data frame variable. And here we have the column header, and as well as the records. And of course, you can directly display the records while using the QAbstract table model if you want to use a loop to manually insert the values. But when you have, like, let's say more than 2,000 records and across maybe like 5 to 6 columns, then the process would actually become, I won't say slow, but it will becoming a little bit more it'll becoming more memory heavy, that is going to consume a little bit more CPU. But I found that using this method right here, that if you use the QAbstract table model, it's actually going to make the data frame data type conversion into the PyQt table type a lot more efficient. But yeah, so this is everything I want to show you guys today. And I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any feedbacks or any question, feel free to send me an email or leave a comment below. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.